Morning, dear children. Welcome you all in today's maths class. My dear students, I hope you all are well and fine at your places. In today's class, we will do backward counting. You all know about backward counting? Yes? सबको आती है? But from 50 to 1. Yes? In today's class, we will do backward counting from 100 to 51. So let's bring out your notebooks and let's ready for the class. I hope you all are ready. So open the notebooks and write the topic on the page. Backward counting from 100 to 51. After then, you have to write HTO, TO, TO, TO and TO. Because we are starting from 100 and it has 3 digits in this number. Yes, 100 में कितने digits हैं? 3, 1s, 10s and 100. 3 digits here are, so we will write HTO in first column. And you have to write these 3 letters in one box. After then skip one box. And again in one box you have to write these 2 letters, 10s, 1s, TO. I hope you all understand. Okay, let's start from 100. Here we will write number 100. Ones, tens, 100. 1, 0, 0, 100. Okay. How we will know what is the next number? So you all know reverse counting, backward counting from 10 to 1. सबको आती है from 10 to 1. Yes. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2 and 1. Yes, remember? Okay, so from 10 to 1, what comes between 10? Sorry, what comes below 10? Below 0, what we will write? 0 के नीचे हम क्या write करते हैं? 9. Yes, 9. And here again you can see here is a 10 we have. And before 10 again we will write 9 here. So 100 and the next is 99. 99. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92 and 91. Now you all have to write this same work in your notebooks and speak the digits, speak the numbers also. Okay? So speak this line again with me. 100. Very good. Speak loudly. 100. 99. 98. 97. 96. 95. 94. 93. 92. 91. Understand? Okay, let's start from the next line. And the next line will start from 90. 90. Okay, again, you all knows what comes below 0. 0 के नीचे क्या आएगा यहाँ पर in backward counting? Yes. Very good. Correct. Here we will write 9. And now in this side you can see number 9. What comes before 9? 9 से पहले क्या होता है? कौन सी लाइन आती है before 98? Good. 89. So we will write the line with number 8 now. 90, 89, 88. Speak with me. 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Speak this line again. 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81. Now next line will start from 80. What comes before 81? 81 से पहले कौन सा नंबर आता है? 80. So we will start from 80. Now you will tell me what we will write here. What comes after 80 in backward counting? Yes. Tell me quickly. Here will comes 9 and in this side 8, 7. 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74. Speak with me. 74, 73, 72, 71. Done? Let's speak it again. 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71. Next line. 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61. Next line will start from 60. 60, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, and 51. 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. That's all for today. Now we will do a quick revision from 100 to 51 again. Okay. So ma'am is going to speak and you have to repeat after ma'am. Okay. 100, 99, 98, 97, 96, 95, 94, 93, 92, 91, 90, 89, 88, 87, 86, 85, 84, 83, 82, 81, 80, 79, 78, 77, 76, 75, 74, 73, 72, 71, 70, 69, 68, 67, 66, 65, 64, 63, 62, 61, 60, 59, 58, 57, 56, 55, 54, 53, 52, 51. My dear kids, I hope you all have done this work in your notebooks and you all learned the backward counting from 100 to 51. Yes? Now in your homework today, you have to learn reverse counting, backward counting from 100 to 1. Okay? Bye-bye. Take care.